Alright, PC Builder Simulator. We're going to go ahead and we're going to start a new game so you guys know that we're starting brand new. And we're going to take the business over. We're just going to go until we hit level 1. Welcome to CP Builder Simulator to blah blah blah. So, we're going to check our email real quick. We'll check the email. And it tells us that thanks for taking over the computer shop. Sorry, it's understate. It tells you all about thermal paste, stuff like that. So here's our first job. Hi Tim, hopefully you can help me. My computer's been running slower than usual. I think it might be clicked on something I shouldn't have. I have viruses. Probably been watching porn. Let's go to the computer here. Let's grab it. Let's go throw it on our workbench. Man, this thing's really slowing down. Throw that on our workbench. $15 in the hole. Thanks. So PC can boot operating system, remove viruses. Okay, so it's not plugged in. So first thing we're going to do is click on it. Yep. Come over here. Connect all these cables. Video card. Yep. Now we're going to come in here. Put a USB drive in. Alright. So we're going to go and power it on. And then we're going to come over here. Login information. Go to a virus scan. Kind of sucks that I only got one computer again. I played this for probably about 5-6 hours last night just to kind of get used to everything when you guys aren't watching me. So it's going to reboot now. And we're going to install some virus software on it. Gotta stop watching. Files infected. Jeez, admittedly. Oh, my first time watching porn. Okay. Let's see here. That's all we got to do with this thing. Yep. Place it in the corridor. Man, these frames are really dragging. Not sure why. Okay. So we're going to collect our money from that. $100. We're no longer broke. Okay. Discard all the ones that we already did. Virus scan. Thank you. Booting faster than it has in years. Okay. Look over my PC, please. It isn't running as well as it did when I first bought it, and I've probably not been taking the best care of it. Looks like a dirt bag. Oh, that's all it says. It's a bit dirty. Okay. Yeah, sure, we can do that. $100. Take a data arrive. Broken graphics card. Replace. Same one, please. GTX 970. Maybe one of those machine ones. Fine. Sure, we'll do that job too. So pretty much more space on my computer. They want a 500 gigabit hard drive. Come on, guys. That's not going to cost. I'll upgrade them to a terabyte. Let's go ahead and accept that. All these are in transit now. We got nothing to do today. This one's not unlocked yet. That one's not unlocked till level 8, I think. Yep. And this one's unlocked at level 3. Then we'll get this big bad storage at level 6. But we're just playing until level 2 today. And then we'll upload the other one. So, go to the door, hit continue. And that is the end of day 1. So all their stuff's coming in here. You can see I got my utility bill the 10th. Pay rent the 25th. It's January 1st, 2018. So we're going to end the day. Okay. And it's day 2. So you can see here the customers at the bottom. And then this one just needs scanned. We'll take this one in there. Man. Oh, that thing is dirty. Alright. First thing we're going to do is just go ahead and remove the side cover off of it. This kind of reminds you of the Mechanics Simulator. I'm not sure if you've ever played that game. If you don't know anything about cars, it's probably kind of hard to play. So first thing we're going to do here is get the compressed air out. Blow this thing all off. I'm not sure if you're really supposed to shake it around or if it even helps, but I do it because maybe oh wow, yeah, that kind of went quicker, didn't it? Alright. So now we're going to come over here and we're going to plug the cables in. graphics card, keyboard, mouse, that kind of thing. We're going to go ahead, we're going to install our USB drive in it so we can turn his porn mess off. I'm just going to guess everybody watches porn. It's probably wrong with me. Okay. Ooh. Another text message. Alright. Got a new program, virus scanner. I want us to restart. Every time got to restart. Yes, restart now. We're going to go and start throwing the side cover back on it. Parts cover. Okay, so back over here. Clean this porn viruses off. Not quite as bad as the other guy. Alright, this one should be done now. Yep, just right click on it, bring it over here and throw it in the hallway. That one's done. Let's see here. This one is PC can boot to operating system, so we gotta make sure that works. Place a graphics card, install a Sheen GTX 970 or better. GTX 970, and then we need to order a hard drive. So before we even pick those up, we're going to go over here, go on the computer. We're going to go to graphics card. He wants a 970. Sheen 970 gamer. Well, this one's a better one, and he's paying a good chunk of change, so we'll add that to the cart. Storage. Get rid of the 970 up there so we can see something. I want a 500 or better. Oh wow, I don't have the terabytes right now. Didn't realize that was a big thing. Don't ignore that guy down there. You can add that to the cart. Look up here and view our cart. Use the delivery option. Yeah, I want it tomorrow. Buy now. Alright, so it'll be here tomorrow. So really there's nothing left to do today. And I like to turn them all in at one time. So those are all done. Besides, we'll just end the day. We're back tomorrow. New parts arrived. Here's where your new parts show up. So we got our graphics card for this one. We'll go ahead and throw this one back together real quick. And I hope this isn't laggy for you guys. I can't believe it's laggy for me, really. Alright, so this one was install a hard drive. So we gotta take it out this side. Now it doesn't say that the hard drive went bad. Oh, I gotta mute this thing. Okay. So we're just gonna install a new one because we can do that. There we go. Then we're going to hook the cables up on it. Bam. Power cable up. Gonna hook that power cable up there. Hook the video card up. Hook the mouse up. Keyboard up. Power it up. Make sure it's going to boot while it powers up. We're going to install the side cover. This one's ready to go. Ooh, good. I'm going to be level 2 before you know it. Okay. Let's see here. Yep. It's running good. Let's go through this in the hallway. Hallways where shit gets tricky out here. And this one is place graphics card, install Sheen. Alright, let's go do it. This ought to be nothing. A lot of dust in the air in here. You think for a computer shop I'd have it a lot cleaner. Okay. Friend keeps blowing up my phone. Okay, remove that. Remove that. Goodbye graphics card. Hello, new graphics card. Oh, that one is broken. See, we upgraded it for him just because it's nice like that. Alright, let's plug it in so we can turn it on. Well, your first stuff's pretty easy. It's fun though. Kind of repetitive. I mean, more levels up, the harder stuff gets that you really gotta start doing it yourself, but just do that. Side cover back on it. Booted, we can place it in the corridor. So now we fixed those computers. We're kind of negative in the bank, but the bank will loan you like $1,000. Actually, the bank will loan you more than $1,000. Don't ask me how I know. So now we're going to check our emails. And this was $100 for Mr. Shearman. Thanks. Bye. Okay, so we'll click on that one. Remove the dust. We're also going to discard it. We got that one done for $525. Discard that one. Get that one done for $330. Discarded that one. See, count overdrawn. Let's do $1,000. Discard. Up quickly. Leveled up. So I'm level 2. So that's it. That's level 1. Pretty much. So there we go. I'm going to go ahead and save now. Let's see here. What do I save? Oh, you don't. You just do this. Save game. Save the game. Got $680, level 2.